Bring it back.
Welcome to WPNN. My name is Hannah.
And my name is Natasha.
For any new Panthers joining us here at Heritage this year, we would like to give you a warm welcome to you from WPNN.
We will give you the inside scoop of what's happening here on campus every week. Let's hope for a great year ahead.
To start off, are any of you interested in joining any clubs? Well, we got the clubs for you.
Do you want to take part in planning any school events like homecoming or fall festival, donation drives, or other fun events? SGA is definitely the move.
The Student Government Association will meet every Friday after school in room 2121. For any more information on this club, email Ms. Rock or visit the SGA Google Classroom with the code on the screen.
Do any of you want to learn the ways of theater? Our drama club is available. They meet every Monday at 3:45 in room 2121.
Also, for anyone who would like to see more of our available clubs this year, don't forget to join our Club Expo on September 12th. This event will be open for all lunches, so feel free to see what's around during your lunch.
Panthers, this past Wednesday we had our ribbon cutting ceremony for our new electrical program.
This event was very special, and people such as Dr. Rendell, school board members, and other dignitaries attended our new electrical classroom. Room 4106 is being taught by Mr. Alejandrino.
Students, open houses on Tuesday, September 9th, starting at 5:30. Join us at Heritage and bring your family to see what our campus is like for all students who attend.
Picture retakes are on Friday, September 19th. They will be held in the Media Center, so don't forget to look your best.
Who else is excited for this year's homecoming? Well, WPN would like to announce that homecoming will be on Saturday, September 20th.
Not only that, if you would like to nominate someone or yourself for homecoming queen or king, you can start now. Nominations are due today. To nominate, please email Ms. Rock for further information.
Attention, all students, there is no school on Monday, September 1st, because of Labor Day, so please do not come to school on Monday.
In senior news, senior parking spots are now available. On Saturday, August 30th and Saturday, September 6th, all seniors are allowed to paint their parking spots, but you must complete a few things before painting your spots.
First, you must fill out the form for a parking spot, which can be found in guidance. After that, you must pay $20 in person for the pass.
After you get approved and obtain your parking pass, you are now allowed to paint your parking spot. However, you must bring your own materials. Heritage will not provide paint, paintbrushes, brooms, and other materials.
Also, you can get hot when painting your parking spot, so we suggest bringing a personal fan, water, ice pack, or even a canopy. For more information, email Ms. Underwood.
Seniors, Brevard Public Schools is now hosting their college fair on Tuesday, September 9th at 10 a.m. The BPS College Fair will be held in the gymnasium for any seniors interested in attending.
For any seniors who have not done their senior portrait section, you can book it now. To book your session, you can visit the site shown on the screen to complete your senior portraits.
In sports news, our football team takes on Seminole High School here tonight at 7 p.m.
On Wednesday, our varsity volleyball team goes up against Florida Prep in the gymnasium at 6:30.
That's all the news for this week. Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
And don't forget to lock in. Thank you for watching, and go Big Blue!
Panthers are respectful.
Sorry, that's my fault. That's completely my fault. I'm so sorry. And don't forget to lock in. And sorry, can I read that again? I really didn't like that. Sorry. Thank you for watching, and go Big Blue!